Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at DreamToEarn, a platform that claims you can make easy money online. But is it really worth your time or just another risky scheme? Let's break it down. So, what is DreamToEarn? DreamToEarn is an online earning site that promotes the idea of making money through simple activities like referrals, signups, and sometimes paid tasks. The main selling point is that anyone can start quickly without special skills. How does it work? You register on their website, log in, and begin with available offers. Many users mention referral programs as the fastest way to earn. Some also talk about needing to upgrade or pay a fee for higher rewards, which raises questions about sustainability. Who is it for? It mainly targets beginners, students, or people looking for side cash with little to no upfront effort. Essentially, anyone hoping to earn from home with a few clicks. What are people saying? Reviews are mixed. Some users report quick initial payouts or bonuses, while others complain about delays, unresponsive support, or earnings being locked unless you bring in more referrals. Red flags? Yes. The first is lack of transparency on how they generate consistent revenue. Another is the reliance on referral systems. If most earnings depend on bringing in others, it often becomes unsustainable in the long run. Pros? Easy to join, quick start, and the potential for small earnings without much effort. Cons? Unclear payment structure, payout complaints, and possible over-reliance on referrals. So here's my recommendation. DreamToEarn may look tempting, but it carries a lot of risk. If you want to try it, do so cautiously and avoid investing money you can't afford to lose. That's it for today. Have you tried DreamToEarn? Drop your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.